If you are thinking, I love illustration but I don't know where to start, or if I'm even good enough to make money from it, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can begin illustrating from scratch and take small steps toward earning an income, even while you are still learning. Welcome to episode 9 of our series, The Art of Selling Your Artwork and How to Do It Right. In this video, I'll tell you how you can learn and earn at the same time. So grab your sketchbook or tablet. I will guide you through how to start drawing and start making money. So let's dive in. The main idea of this video is the minimum tools needed to start drawing, how to practice smartly without burnout, ways to build an audience even as a beginner, realistic way to earn without being a pro, a motivated push to track progress and believe in their growth. So the part 1, what you actually need to start drawing. So let's start with the basics. What do you really need to get started as a digital illustrator? Tools, or drawing tools. This can be an iPad plus Procreate if you have already one, and a drawing tablet like Wacom plus free software like Krita, even your phone plus iBish Paint if your budget is tight. A way to save and organize your work, use Google Drive or Dropbox to back up and sort your illustration from day one. Let's come to the part 2, learn by doing. So now that you have your tools, what should you draw? Forget perfect. Your goal is consistency, not complexity. So set small weekly challenges like week 1, 5 breakfast foods, week 2, 5 facial expression, and week 3, draw 5 cozy characters outfit. And lastly, week 4, turn one into a simple sticker. So you can even follow free prompts list or use Pinterest to find theme inspirations. Part 3. Build your audience while you learn. Sharing your work helps you improve faster. Why? Because it pushes you to finish. It connects you with feedback and people remember your growth. So you can post to Instagram, Reels, show your sketch to color, Pinterest, pin your finished pieces, YouTube Shorts or TikTok, record small speed pins, and yes, post your work even it's not perfect. People love following beginner journeys. Just caption it with honestly like day 1 of learning illustration or trying new styles this week, something like this. Part 4, 5 ways to make money while still learning. Now the fun part. Yes, you can start earning even if you are still learning. So here is 5 ways I tried and recommended. So first, sell beginner-friendly clip art. Turn your practice drawings into simple digital clip art like facial expressions, cozy foods icon, mood girl, and seasonal items. You can sell on platforms like Etsy, design bundles, etc. And 2. Gumroad. Create a mini pack of 10 PNGs and sell it as a beginner cozy pack or stickers for planner. Label it honestly. People love authentic art. Then 3. Join stock marketplaces. So sites like Icon Scout, Adobe Stock accept even clean simple illustrations. So submit your icons, flat vectors or character packs. 4. Low pressure commissions. So start with custom names, pet portraits, things you can draw comfortably but still feel proud to deliver. And 5. Instagram tips plus templates. So make Instagram carousel tips from what you have learned and sell editable templates later. Your growth becomes a product. Part 5. Track, reflect, grow. Here is what I wish I did earlier. Track what you draw, track what sells, and track what you love doing. Every 30 days, look at which post got engagements, what was easiest to draw, what made you feel proud. This reflection builds confidence and direction because it's your unique path. If you are just starting, this is your sign to stop waiting and start sketching. You can learn and earn together, one drawing at a time. So comment below with the color palette emoji if you are starting your journey today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video where we will learn illustration from scratch. Thanks for watching.